Hello and welcome. I'm going to show you this Murvi Pimento SB 555 centimeters long on a Ford Transit base, a small van, a very small footprint, and I think it packs in quite a lot. You've got the the selling price up there, £76,500. What have you got? Two seats up front, as you'd expect. Bit difficult to drive it without a driver's seat in. You've got the bed here, as you can see, it pull out. You've got the runners down there, and that bit over there will also pull out as well. Now, they have cleverly used the wardrobe space above there, but with a space below it, so you can stick your feet down there when you're in bed. And let's even have a look at how that works like that. There you go. You've got your electronic stuff in here as well, and there is your table, and you can keep your vacuum cleaner here as well should you want to. Now, coming to the back, the rear kitchen has got here, we've got 3 burners. We've got this Thetford grill. I think I would ask them to do it without. Anyway, that's just me. And we've got down here the Vitry Frigo fridge, electric fridge, works off the 12-volt battery. We've got a sink here, and don't know what that is. Looks like a toast rack to me, whatever it is. And the storage below and above. And here we've got a fan as well. Now, and there is the toilet. Now, bear in mind, this is only 555 centimeters long, and you've got this toilet. There's your shower, and this is the amount of space you've got in here. Now, obviously, you don't have to enter the shower from the rear unless you particularly wanted to. You can, of course, you'd come in through here. The door is a very clever system. We've got this there, that comes across like that. It's a very unusual way of doing it, novel. I think that seems to me to be a very, I think it's probably even a better way of doing it as well, holding the shower door in place. Of course, I'm a big fan of tambour doors myself. The cassette toilet from here can be accessed from the rear. So I think this, for a vehicle with a footprint which is not much bigger than that of a car, I mean, it's a bit wider, but it's not that much longer. It's got a lot inside, and you know, you can just about live in this, I think. Just about, I say, because there's not the storage. Depends, but certainly, I mean, you can go away for a month and there's not any problems. So, and you can just about use it for daily as well. Big skylight up there. Electric points, USPs, 12-volt, kitchen extension. It's got a fire extinguisher. Let's go to the back, have a look at it from here. So what have we got here? There's the toilet access. It can be removed there. If I open this side here, now obviously this is where the fridge and the oven is, so you possibly wouldn't be wanting necessarily access to here. I don't know, maybe you would for something. Can't think of why you would want it, but there could be a reason. Good. Right, so that is the Pimento SB 555 centimeters. I think I've said that 3 times or 4 times, but then it's always worth emphasizing how small the vehicle actually is. So very nice looking campervan. I upload every day, 2015 in the UK, 2115 where I live, Central European time. Whilst I've got your attention, perhaps I could also give a quick plug for our app, which is called Campermanul, M-A-N-U-L. You'll get it on the App Store and the Play Store, and there's a free trial period, and if you like it, then there's a small monthly charge. But anyway, that's a troubleshooting app, so if your boiler doesn't work or something like that, something goes wrong with the vehicle, then you'll find the solution there. So, thanks very much for watching, all the best, bye for now.